Hello there, thank you for stopping by. In the next couple of moments, we're going to show you how you can flatten the belly, trim the hips, tone the arms by living a low-carb lifestyle. My name is Sia.
And I'm Bongiwe.
And we're both co-authors of the Ultimate Keto Guide.
Would you like to automatically reduce hunger, burn fat, make your heart healthier, and naturally control food cravings while your body does all the hard work? What fuel are you running on? Likely, your answer is carbs, as most people get their energy to walk, talk, or simply move through their daily routine of dietary carbohydrates.
These carbs include starches and sugar, which the body converts into glucose, which the body then uses for energy. Unfortunately, the excess glucose that is not used for energy is converted into glycogen, which is then stored in the body as fat. A third of US adults are obese, and obesity leads to debilitating and in some cases deadly conditions, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, joint problems, self-esteem issues, a lower quality of life, and an increased risk of premature death, just to name a few.
Carb overload is believed by many experts to be a significant cause for overweight and obesity today. Fortunately, you can overcome these problems. All you have to do is start using the right fuel for energy. The only exception to the body not needing glucose from dietary carbs for fuel is ketones. And ketones can only be triggered when you eat carb smart and enter a state of ketosis, where your body begins to burn stored body fat for energy.
A Duke University Medical Center study found that a low-carb diet resulted in an average of 11 pounds more lost in obese subjects versus the American Heart Association's low-fat diet. More than 20 randomized controlled trials published since 2002 in respected peer-reviewed journals have shown low-carb diets to be effective for weight loss, stabilizing blood sugars, general health, and to be completely safe. One of the longest studies, but not the only one, found that low-carb eating had a significant edge over low-fat diet in improving good HDL cholesterol levels.
A 2008 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that the ketogenic low-carb diet resulted in 12 pounds of weight loss in only 4 weeks in obese men. And all the study subjects noted less hunger and more satisfaction while eating low carb as compared to eating a low-calorie diet. How do you enter ketosis or a ketogenic state? Easy. You limit the number of and sources of the carbohydrates you eat. As soon as this happens, your body looks to fat stores as its primary energy source. This triggers ketosis, and your fat burning switch is flipped on.
The best part of this process is that all you have to do is limit carb intake, eat moderate amounts of protein, and increase intake of healthy fats, and your body is forced, literally forced, to burn stored fat for fuel. Now let me introduce you to our detailed and comprehensive manual to be your guide. It really is all you need to get started today.
The Ultimate Keto Guide can help you regulate blood sugar, which eliminates out-of-control cravings and naturally suppresses the appetite to lose the weight and keep it off. Moreover, keto promotes healthy cholesterol levels, stable blood pressure, improved mental functioning, and heart health. And one of its greatest assets is that it especially reduces the belly fat or visceral fat, the most dangerous type of body fat. Low carb really is the holy grail of weight management. And the best part is that ketogenic is not a diet, but a lifestyle that takes the weight off and keeps it off. Eat real whole food, never count calories, and never feel deprived or starved again.
Let our ebook be your guide and discover the different types of ketogenic diets and the various types of carbohydrates, how many carbs to eat, and which delicious, nutritious, low-carb foods and beverages you need to eat to burn body fat, what carbs you should avoid, the exact amounts you need of good fats and protein, exactly how to induce and maintain ketosis, the miracle fat-burning metabolic state, answers to frequently asked questions about the low-carb lifestyle, how to trim carbs and still enjoy eating out, and much, much more.
You can lose weight and keep it off. All you need to do is turn on the ketogenic fat-burning switch and watch the pounds melt away and your health improve.
Our step-by-step manual will show you exactly how you can put behind all those frustrating years of unsuccessful dieting, help you lose weight, gain more energy, be healthier, and look and feel great. Go ahead and order your copy of our comprehensive guide on the ketogenic diet by clicking the link below this video. After clicking the link below, you'll be redirected to a private and secure page where you'll be able to order the book securely and get instant access to our ebook. All the best in your dieting.